Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're gonna start off on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I do think this is the end of a running ABC correction. It's a running ABC correction because the wave B is a lower low and the wave C is a lower low. Definitely looks like the correction is over though. And if the correction is over, what happens at the end of the correction is it goes down and takes out the low of wave B in this case. So I do expect that this will make lower lows, lower highs, take out the low of wave B, and maybe even continue that weekly, monthly time frame downtrend. So taking it down to about the 2 hour to 4 hour time frame is where you can see the nice series of low, high, low, high, low, high, low. At some point, we probably will end at wave one, and we probably will go up and break structure and make some sort of a pullback for like a wave two, which a wave two could go anywhere between 38 and 78% of the whole move down, and then possibly down again for a wave three. But we do not have a breaker structure yet telling us that the wave 2 is active, and there's really nothing stopping this from continuing to make lower lows, lower highs. So that means that I would definitely still be looking for shorts on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.